Have you ever worked on a project that turned into a complete mess when you tried to scale it? I am Kiran from Ecolvi, and welcome to another day of coding. That is exactly why we use the solid principles. Let's break them down using simple, real-world examples. Let's start with S, the single responsibility principle. A component should have only one reason to change. Imagine a restaurant where one person tries to cook the food, sweep the floors, wash the dishes, and buy the groceries all at once. It is total chaos. Just like a well-run kitchen, you should split those responsibilities up so each part of your system does exactly one job. Perfect. Next is O, the open-closed principle. Your system should be open for extension, but closed for modification. Think of a passenger train. When you need to carry more people, you simply attach a new carriage to the back. You do not rebuild the engine. In the same way, you should be able to add new features without ever touching or breaking the existing foundation. Moving on to L, the Liskov substitution principle. A subclass must be perfectly swappable with its base class. If you replace an old incandescent light bulb with a new LED bulb, it should seamlessly fit into any exact same socket and work instantly. If replacing a parent component with a child component breaks your system, you need to rethink your design. Then we have I, the interface segregation principle. A user should never be forced to depend on features they do not use. Imagine a television remote that also has buttons to control your microwave and garage door. It is confusing and bloated. Instead of one massive do-it-all system, break things down so people only get exactly the tools they need. Finally, D is the dependency inversion principle. High-level modules should not depend on low-level ones. You do not solder your television directly into the city power grid. You plug it into a standard wall socket. By depending on simple abstractions like a plug, you decouple your systems, making them infinitely easier to test and swap out. By mastering these 5 principles, you ensure your architecture can scale effortlessly. Start applying Solid to your projects today, and watch your code bogs become a joy to work with.